Audio Jungle.
Join us on a fascinating journey as we explore the world of artificial intelligence, AI. In this series, we'll learn about AI from its beginnings to where it stands today. We'll talk about different types of AI, like the narrow AI that's specialized in certain tasks, and the more advanced artificial general intelligence, AGI, that's like human intelligence. We'll also look at some cool AI techniques such as machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics, and see how they make AI smarter. Together, we'll discover how AI is being used in real-life applications, such as in healthcare, finance, and transportation, and understand the challenges and ethical considerations it brings. Don't worry if you're new to this, we'll make it easy to follow along and explore how AI impacts our lives and society. Let's dive in and learn together. Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. What is AI? Artificial intelligence, AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines. It involves creating computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as reasoning, problem solving, learning from experience, and adapting to new situations. AI aims to enable machines to understand, process, and respond to complex data and make decisions independently, often in ways that mimic human cognitive abilities. Differentiation from human intelligence. While AI can excel at specific tasks and process vast amounts of data quickly, it differs from human intelligence in several ways. Narrow focus. AI systems are designed for specific tasks or domains, while human intelligence encompasses a broad range of cognitive abilities. Lack of consciousness. AI operates based on algorithms and data, lacking self-awareness or consciousness like humans possess. Learning versus innate knowledge. Humans learn from a young age and gather knowledge over time, whereas AI requires training on data to improve its performance. History of AI. The origins of AI, the concept of artificial beings and intelligent machines dates back to ancient myths and folklore. However, the modern field of AI emerged during the 1950s. Milestones in AI. The Dartmouth Conference, 1956, considered the birth of AI as a scientific discipline, where researchers gathered to explore the potential of machines exhibiting human-like intelligence. Early symbolic AI, 1950s-1960s, AI researchers developed symbolic systems, rule-based representations, and logic-based approaches to solve problems. Expert systems, 1970s-1980s, AI focused on building expert systems that captured human knowledge to solve specific problems in areas like medicine and finance. The AI winter, 1980s-1990s, funding and interest in AI waned due to unmet expectations, leading to a period known as the AI winter. Machine learning revival, 1990s present, advancements in machine learning algorithms and the availability of vast datasets led to a resurgence of interest in AI. Deep learning revolution, 2010s present, deep learning, powered by neural networks with multiple layers, achieved significant breakthroughs in areas like image and speech recognition. Types of AI. Narrow AI, weak AI, also known as narrow AI. This represents the current state of AI development. Narrow AI systems are specialized and excel in specific tasks. Examples include virtual assistants, like Siri or Alexa, recommendation systems, and autonomous vehicles. These systems are powerful and effective within their predefined domains but lack the broader cognitive abilities of humans. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, often referred to as strong AI, is a theoretical form of AI that possesses human-like intelligence. AGI would be capable of understanding, learning, and adapting to a wide range of tasks, similar to human intelligence. While AGI remains a long-term goal for AI researchers, achieving it raises complex ethical and technical challenges. AI techniques. Machine learning. Machine learning is a core AI technique that enables systems to learn from data and improve their performance over time. It involves training algorithms on large datasets to recognize patterns and make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning. Deep learning involves the use of artificial neural networks with multiple layers to perform complex tasks. Deep learning has been instrumental in revolutionizing areas like computer vision and natural language processing. Natural language processing, NLP. NLP focuses on enabling machines to understand, interpret, and interact with human language. NLP powers chatbots, language translation, sentiment analysis, and voice recognition systems. In this chapter, we have provided a foundational understanding of AI, defining it as the simulation of human intelligence in machines. We explored the history of AI, its various types, and essential AI techniques, such as machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics. In the next chapter, we will delve deeper into the fascinating world of machine learning and deep learning. We will explore how these AI techniques enable machines to learn from data and make predictions, decisions, and inferences without explicit programming. Discover the inner workings of neural networks, the building blocks of deep learning, and how they have revolutionized areas like computer vision, natural language processing, and speech recognition. Get ready to unravel the mysteries of machine learning algorithms, training processes, and optimization techniques that power the AI systems we encounter in our daily lives. Join us as we embark on an exciting journey into the heart of AI's data-driven intelligence. Subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with the latest videos on tech, AI, and other exciting topics. Don't miss out on the upcoming chapters exploring machine learning and deep learning, where we'll uncover the secrets behind data-driven intelligence and its applications in various fields. Join us on this exciting journey into the world of artificial intelligence and technology.